over the years, I've had a lot of people tell me that they have no psychic gifts, that they don't feel things, they don't know things, that's not something that's part of who they are. And yet, I can assure them, and I can assure you, that we all have gifts, that we're all psychic, that we all have the ability to connect to something greater than ourselves, something amazing, actually. And we can learn how to utilize it in a meaningful, purposeful way. We can rise above limitation, and we can connect to something so amazing and so beautiful. Join me for my intuitive development class. It has 5 sessions, and in that we'll teach you how to connect. We'll teach you the reality of those gifts. Thank you.